I'm too busy, as in I'm too busy, no understand. Okay, sir. So basically, we just want to know what transpired. You got to the answer. Not exactly where we are here, for the benefit of those who don't understand the nature of this case.
Okay, as you recall, this matter had been litigated in the past, starting from the High Court in Enugu, through the Court of Appeal, up to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court ruled that the leadership of the political party is an internal affair of the party. And that's been the law for a long time. We had tried to persuade the Supreme Court to take a different view, and the Supreme Court was very, very adamant that the courts have no jurisdiction. So the party would decide who its secretary is. So we are surprised that that same matter is now being ventilated again by the same person, the same party that persuaded the Supreme Court to rule that the court had no jurisdiction. If the court had no jurisdiction, what is that same party doing in court now, asking the court to exercise jurisdiction? That's all. I mean, you were in court, you heard us say to the judge that we'll be filing an application exhibiting the judgment of the Supreme Court where that court had decided. And look, once the Supreme Court has spoken, I don't see that anybody can go against it.
Is there any possibility of an out-of-court settlement?
We hope so.
Meeting?
We hope so. Well, we hope so. We hope so. Look, the elections are coming, and the fate of democracy relies on strong political parties that will come up with programs that will create the competition of ideas. This is what is lacking in Nigeria, and we are taken up with intra-party disputes and personal disputes and so on. These are things that we should long since have grown over. So we hope that the party, that various powers that be in that party, which, by the way, boasted ones that they will rule Nigeria for 150 years or 200 years, let them get their act together. Because the present administration will be better helped if there's a viable opposition that challenges its ideas, and brings new thinking to the table. So we hope that this political party, this particular one, the PDP, will get its act together and resolve this matter.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time.